Children, last class we discussed about the plant kingdom. Plant kingdom. In that one we learned that Thallophyta, Pteridophyta. So like that we learned that in the last class. But in this Animalia kingdom, so in this class we learn about the class about the animals. So here the first kingdom, the Animalia, that one Porifera. Porifera means, the word porifera means holes in the organisms. In this porifera type of animals, the animals having holes in the body. So it may be non-protect animals attached to some solid support. There are holes, that is called as pores on the body. Usually, porifera type of animals are body ಮೇಲೆ holes ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay children? Holes. It helps to circulate water throughout the body and bring food and oxygen. It helps to oxygen and food in the water. Okay? And easily circulating the food and water materials. These animals are covered with hard outside layer or skeleton. So it is sponge-like materials. So outside material is hard strong material content. The body design involves very minimal differentiation and division into tissues. They are commonly called as sponges. It cannot move from one place to another, but it can stick on the stone of the, it may be rock, it will be leave on the rock. This sponge or spongilia type of animals in drawing so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ರಾಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ body, it helps to exchange of water and circulate the blood also. So example for porifera is cycod, spongilia. Cycod and spongilia. Next, Circulatory. Here, which is the sign here, O-sided. Circulatory. Coelentera. So it is a definite design and shape and having a cavity in the body. Circulatory it has a definite body shape and having a cavity on the body. They have a body design is differentiation. There is a cavity in the body. The body is made up of two layers of cells. One makes up cells on the outside the body and the other makes up inner lining of the body. Some of these species live in colonies. You know corals. Corals ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು corals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹವಳಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. Usually the corals are used in the jewels. Corals, while others having a solitary lifespan, that is hydra, jellyfish and sea anemones are the common examples of these Circulatory. So usually it live in the deep of the sea. This is a differentiated cavity body design. Either outside lining and inside lining there. So example for that hydra, sea anemone and corals. Corals how we use model samudradalli. Yes, it is a animal. It is a big animal live in the sea. Okay, and then it will be cutting into the stone form. ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ತರ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ hydra having a tentacles on the body and stilling cell. It is a epidermis and also some starting from foot to the tail. Tentacles ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಏನು hydra. ನೀವು hydra ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? So previous classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 6 ಅಥವಾ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ hydra. Tentacles holes in the body. Tentacles ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು part ಈ hydra ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And next platyhelminthes. Spelling of platyhelminthes, Platyhe, Platyhelminthes, platyhelminthes. It is a bilaterally symmetrical or it may be triploblastic. Bilaterally symmetrical. Symmetrical ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Bilaterally symmetrical. And these animals are called as triploblastic, means it differentiated their cells. Okay. There is thus some degree of tissue formation. There is no true internal body cavity or column in which well-developed organs can be accumulated. The body is flattened, and so it will be the body is flattened. Example for the platyhelminthes is planaria, tapeworm, liver fluke. So usually you know that the tapeworm is present in the stomach. Planaria, so planaria has eyes. So planaria ಒಂದು animal ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, eyes ಇರುತ್ತೆ, small eyes present in the planaria. So these animals are in the shape that is a flattened shape. ಈ animals ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ shape ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ full flat ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು shape ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Tapeworm and liver fluke also having a flattened bilaterally symmetrical shape. Okay children, so it has having a neck in the tapeworm. So let us discuss about nematode. Nematodes usually bilateral and triploblastic. Nematodes ಅಂದ್ರೆ bilaterally and triploblastic, cylindrical or flattened body. It may be cylindrical or it may be flattened body. So let us discuss the example for the nematodes are like ascaris, you know. So now nematodes, ascaris ಅಂದ್ರೆ ringworm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ringworm usually present in the stomach. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಜಂತುಹುಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so like that. It having there are similar parasitic worms causing the diseases, like that ringworms also causing the diseases in the human body also. ಈ ringworm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಜಂತುಹುಳು parasite. This ascaris is a parasite. It present in the human body and they will get the nutrition from the body of the animals. So they are called as parasites. So the parasites also causes some of the diseases. You ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅನಿಮೀಡ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ having tails. ಇದು ಟೈಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಹುಳು, worm. It is a worm having a tail. So it present in the intestine of the body of animals. Example for nereis. So sorry children, ascaris is present in the intestine of the body and then it causes some of the diseases. Next, annelida. So annelida belongs to the group having a head and tail. So usually annelids animals are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. But in addition to they have a true body cavity. Cavity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it helps to exchange the water and food material in the water or it may be on the earth. So it helps to exchange of the materials. Cavity the ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು exchange ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay. This allows true organs are packed on the structure. There is extensive organs differentiated. ಈ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು organs neat ಆಗಿ differentiated ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When compared to the nereis, so nereis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So nereis centipede, millipede ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸಹಸ್ರಪದಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So these animals are belongs to the annelida. They have a differentiated design and also they have a body cavity. So earthworm and leeches, earthworm ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, it is a friend of farmer. So it is having a head and tail, it having a differentiated body design. Body design ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪೀಸಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ನೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಜರಿ ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಜರಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಯಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟಿಪೀಡ್. ಸೆಂಟಿಪೀಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಹಸ್ರಪದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಯಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್, ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೈ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೈ ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. earthworm and leeches. Leeches are the function of leeches is it suck the blood, that is the waste blood from the animals. This is about the annelids. So the animals are differentiated into porifera. Porifera having holes in the body cavity. Example for porifera: cycad, spongilia. Circulatory. It is a well designed body shape and it has a cavity. Cavity helps to extend the materials. Example for Circulatory: Hydra, sea anemone. Platyhelminthes, it is bilaterally symmetrical. The body shape is flattened. Loopworm and tapeworm. Nematoda is bilaterally and triploblastically symmetrical. This is having a cylindrical or it may be flattened shape. Example for Nematoda, Ascaris. So Ascaris is present in the stomach and intestine of the animals. Annelids, it has having a tail. So example for annelids is Nereis, earthworm and leeches. Children, next group is arthropoda. In the arthropoda, it is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. So here the circulatory, we observe a special circulatory system, that is open circulatory system. Open circulatory system. Open circulatory system ಅಂದ್ರೆ for example ಒಂದು ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅದು ಬ್ಲಡ್. There is a colorless pigment of blood present in the cockroach. Like that, open circulatory system. We are the human beings having a closed circulatory system. ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, the blood transports blood heart to heart parts of the human body and other parts to blood heart also. So in this arthropoda, it is a contained open circulatory system. When you consider a prawn, prawn, scarpio, musca, that is a housefly, Pariplaneta, that is a cockroach. Pariplaneta means cockroach. Here in the arthropoda, the blood does not flow in well blood vessels. It does not having a well designed blood vessels in the arthropoda. And for example, when considered butterfly also, butterfly, it is also a open circulatory system. Example for arthropoda are prawn. The another name of prawn is palamon, okay, spider, scorpion, butterfly, housefly, and cockroach. These are belongs to the arthropoda. Next, mollusca. Children, mollusca. In this group of animals, bilaterally symmetrical, it having a excretory system also, including circulatory system. Excretory system also present in the mollusca group. Consider that seafood. Seafood. So seafood is made by sea animals. What are the sea animals? Snails, mussels, and some seashell animals. So shell animals are nodidiralva. So these are covered hard substance. It is made up of the calcium content. So usually mollusca group animals hegagirutte, so it contains a calcium content coat, that is a shell. It is made up of shell. Example for the mollusca is snails, mussels, and unio. So these having they are open circulatory system and the kidney-like organs are for the excretion. In this group of animals, they have a open circulatory system. Here there is no well-designed circulation of blood, and also they have a kidney-shaped organs helps to excrete. Next one, protochordata. Protochordata. Here we consider chord means string. Example for protochordata is Haldamania. In that one, notochord is a long rod-like structure. It will be helps to run along the back of animals, separating the nervous system from the gut. So it provides a place to muscles to attach for easy movement. Protochordates may any have proper notochord. Notochord means it having a long tail-like structure. It helps in the back side of the animals and helps to separate the nervous system from the gut of the animal. For example, this protochordata is an example for this. Haldamania is an example for protochordata. It usually lives on for the entire length of the animal. Protochordata are marine animals. Usually marine animals. Marine means water animals. So example for protochordata is Haldamania and Amphiox. Okay. It having a tails and well-designed excreted system and having a anus at the end of the tail. Okay, children. So this is out of the protochordata. Protochordata having a long thread-like structure. Next, echinodermata. Echino means hedgehog. Derma means skin. You know, derma means what? Skin. Echino means hedgehog. Here also a well-designed circulatory system. Well-designed means they are having a open circulatory system. They are usually living in marine animals. These animals are usually marine animals. They are diploblastic and have coulombic cavity. They are also peculiar water driver tube system that they use for moving around. They have hard calcium carbonate structures. For example, ascaris, that is a starfish. Starfish, what is the special nature of the starfish? During the reproduction, it will be cut one part of the starfish, it will be grown into new starfish. For example, feather star antidote is an example for echinodermata. So usually these are present in marine animals. You know, children, vertebrata. What is the meaning of vertebrates and invertebrates? Vertebrates are having an internal skeleton allowing a completely different distinction of muscle attachment. Vertebrates are usually bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic and segmented with a complex differentiation of the body tissues and organs. All chordates possesses the following features. Vertebrates means having a backbone, means having a special structure. All chordates are possesses these features. Having notochord, notochord means having a thread-like structure. Having dorsal nerve cord, triploblastic, pale gills pouches, and coulombic. Vertebrates are grouped into 5 classes. Okay, so let us discuss about the classes of vertebrates. First, pieces. So you know the pieces means it belongs to fish. So these are fish. So usually it lives in the water and it will be use the dissolved oxygen present in the water. They are exclusively aquatic animals. These pieces, there is a fish are exclusively aquatic animals. Their skin is covered with scales or plates. They obtain oxygen, dissolved water. It will be present in the water. So it will be the respiratory organ of the fish is gills. The body is streamlined. Why the body of the fish or other animals are streamlined? To move easily in the water. So it will be helps to move fast the movement of the fish in the water. They have a cold-blooded animal. Their hearts are only two chambered. When compared to the human beings, we are four chambered heart. The fish has two chambered heart. They are cold-blooded animals. We can think only the fish and some of the skeletons made by entirely cartilages. Both bones are cartilages. For example, tuna and rohu, when compared to the rohu and tuna, so they are having a very strong teeth also. Okay. For example, the pieces belongs to the lionfish, anglerfish, mandarin fish. So there are so many types of fishes. So these fishes belongs to the pieces group. That is a vertebrate group. Next group name is called as amphibia. The name indicates that usually the amphibians live in water and also on the land. So they are called as amphibians. The glands of the skin. So during the young one of the amphibians, they will use tadpoles. For example, when you take frog, they use a respiratory organ as tadpole, and it will be grown up into frog, the gills. So during the tadpole, they will use the gills, and the adult stage, that is adult frog, they use lungs as a respiratory organ. Usually these amphibians having three chambered heart. So pieces having a two chambered heart, this is called four chambered heart. Example for amphibians: frogs, toads, salamander, that is the cockroaches are example to the amphibia. So amphibia means the animals which live in water and also live on the land. So they are called as amphibians. They are having a three-chambered heart. So next class we discuss about the vertebrate, that the group called as reptilia. Thank you, children.